Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's put a junk spread together with everything I collected this week. This was a big week for me because this was when I decided to start filming and create a YouTube channel. These are mostly all things that I bought to get started. I got a small microphone to record my voiceovers, a stand to hold my phone to film, a new journal for the year, as well as some other journal supplies to help motivate me to get started. I also went to physio this week, so I added this card in from there, and then other than that, I ate some fast food this week, and that about sums it up. I chose to get the Leuchtturm journal this year, if I said that right. I know it's a popular one and I see a lot of people using it, but you can really use any journal. The one I used before this was just a random one that I bought from Indigo. It worked pretty well and it doesn't need to be fancy, but this one is definitely a lot thinner, which I think will be better because my last journal got super thick pretty fast. And this is a paper cutter that is used to round the corners of a page so that it fits perfectly when you go to glue it down. Pretty unnecessary, but I got influenced, so here I am. This came with my journal, and I think it would be nice to add to the background. I like the shadows in it. I think it's really pretty. I love when packaging has little images of the products that I can cut out and use. It's so much more fun than using just receipts. The stand to hold my phone also has a light attached to it, but to be honest, the light didn't end up working that well. There was a lot of glare that happened, so I switched to filming in a spot that has natural light, which has worked a lot better. Okay, I actually just have to say that I love this part. You can just see my little hands thinking, and just wouldn't it be so cute if I made this into a little mini of my journal? I'm going to cover up the writing on the back with just some paper, and I'm going to see if I have a red marker to color it with. Okay, I found this, which is my Ohuhu alcohol marker, and the only red I have, it ended up matching perfectly, so I'm super excited. I literally felt like a genius thinking of this. It's definitely the highlight of the spread for me. Starting a YouTube channel was never really something I ever thought of doing before. I love watching videos of people journaling for inspiration or even just for comfort. And one day I was just thinking, since I love watching so much, maybe others would want to watch me too, and I could inspire people and maybe even grow a little community of fellow crafters and journalers. So I spent a few days researching and watching YouTube videos to help me figure out where to start when it comes to filming. I bought some basics to get started and just went for it. It's honestly really hard, and I have so much respect for YouTubers now that I know how much work it takes to put a video together. Even though it's a tremendous amount of work, I really have been loving the editing process, and it's so satisfying to finish and post a video. And everyone has been so kind too. I only have a handful of followers right now, but I've been loving reading everyone's comments, and I can't wait to see if this will grow. Something that I like to do when I have business cards is to tape some washi tape to one side and make a little door that opens up. That way I can put more things underneath, and it saves some space and also just makes it a little more fun and interactive. I pretty much have everything already sitting in the position I want, so I'm going to glue them down and then find some stickers to decorate with. Now, I wanted to find some small stickers that also exist on the cover of my journal. I know I have some strawberries on it, so I found this tiny one. And then I also used these stars, so it worked out that they both ended up fitting. A camera sticker to represent filming. This one for all the shopping I did. And this could not get any better. Look how perfect this teeny tiny book clip fits on my mini journal. Literally so satisfying. I'm choosing my stickers based mostly on the color. I just look for any stickers that match my color theme, so in this case, anything pink, red, yellow, and blue. And then finishing off with stamps for the dates this week. And then this is the final spread. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you in next week's spread. Take care.